First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for this very hospitable event. Today we have a very important meeting with our colleagues from the Slovenian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We summarize our mutual efforts for previous time, our efforts to the direction of the more stronger relations between our businesses. And also we decided to think together about the future plans for up to the end of this year and for the next year. Very important was our relations based on the creation of two business councils, Slovenian Ukrainian Business Council and Ukrainian-Slovenian Business Council in our both countries. The businesses from both from the Slovenia and Ukrainian now concentrated on the new possibilities of our relations, of our cooperation. Ukrainian and Slovenian business relation moved quite in the right direction. We have a good base and a good future. Now Ukraine has a quite not easy period of time. Of course, we believe what the situation in Ukraine will be as soon as possible stabilized, and it will give them more chances for more better economical relations. But nevertheless, economical relation between our main companies, Slovenian and Ukrainian companies, and didn't stop and continue. The Ukrainian market, Ukrainian businesses, Ukrainian people know quite good the production of some Slovenian companies on our market, like Gareni, like Dual, and many others. Your pharmaceutical products, your food products, quite and touristic opportunities are very interesting for Ukrainian business. From our side, Ukrainian business looking for some new opportunities on your market. In agriculture sector, in the metallurgical sector, in touristic sector, and service sector, and many others. From my point of view, due to the signing agreement, what we did it with the Mr. President of the Slovenian Chamber of Commerce today, give it a new possibilities, a new chance for making more stronger relation on the level of the businesses. And as we talked with my colleague from the Slovenian Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Milic, we decided in the nearest future exchange some business delegation again. We are waiting for some business delegation from Slovenia in the first quarter of the next year. We would like to invite Slovenian business to participate in some our fairs. We have the very good idea to organize some Slovenian Day in Kiev. Ukraine is a country who is with big opportunities, with big potential, and I'm absolutely sure together with our partners from Slovenia, we can do a lot in our mutual interest and mutual opportunities. Next, what I would like to say, Ukraine signed agreement about the free economic zones with European Union, and for us very important the experience of our colleagues from Slovenian Chamber of Commerce, from Slovenian businesses, how to make more easy way for Ukrainian companies to the European market. And we've got the very strong support from our colleagues, who we decided to exchange some our colleagues from chambers to exchange some experience to assist our businesses, like in Ukraine, like in Slovenia, to open new markets, to open new opportunities.